Hey loves, Tamara here. Welcome back to my channel. As you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit. It was sent to me from Ashimary Hair. All hair details will be down in the description box below. As always, I like to share with you guys all the goodies that I received in my package, along with showing you the construction of this unit. It is a 360 unit. I hardly ever work with these types of units because honestly, it's just, in my opinion, it's just a lot of work, chat. So I just prefer a nice good old closure. But this comes in handy for the girlies that, want that full type of look. And one thing I really love about this unit, it does have like drawstrings. So you're able to pull the strings from the sides and have it, tight enough to your liking on your head. And with that, you're able to wear it up or wear it down. Now, me personally, wearing a unit like this, there's not much security, so I would definitely go in with some type of adhesive just to be on the safe side if you're going to be wearing it all day and be up and down. And as for the back, like, it's kind of difficult because of how my hairline is, and I'm not going to shave my nape just for a wig to like sit back there properly. And then the comb can kind of be a little uncomfortable just based off how my nape is, like how it's naturally made, you know what I'm saying, like how it's lined. But anywho, besides all of that, I will say that this unit, the hair, the quality is amazing. You guys can see that the front lace, like the hairline, it is plucked, it is good to go, it looks gorgeous, and we don't have any knots. They already come bleached, it already comes plucked. And something else I really love too, it comes pre-cut. So there's no lace for you to be cutting or doing anything like that. I just like to go in with a bit of my bronzer or face powder just to blend the lace in with my forehead. And with a curly unit, I believe this is a water wave. I really, really, really love water wave. But I just like to go in with some mousse and water. I don't do anything crazy with my curly units. I just keep it simple. And then I will go in with a tad bit of gel just at the top to kind of like help not melt, but to lay the top down a little bit more flat to my liking. And honestly, you guys, that is it. So towards the end of the video, you will see me kind of do not necessarily an updo, but I'll go in with a little claw clip and just do a little situation back there to show you guys that with this unit, like, you can style it how you please. Now, one style I really want to try is the half up half down, so I'd have to try that again with this unit, but we'll see. But anywho, big shout outs to Ashimary Hair for sending me this unit. All details will be down in the description box below. If you guys like this video, please do give it a big thumbs up, drop your comments below, hit that subscribe button, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye, TikTok at Tamara.Renaye, and keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenaye.com. I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch y'all in my next video. Bye.